We have been in business since 1989. Chris and I grew up in the family business. Our grandfather and father started the company, and we, as children, would go to the homes and kind of see what our dad and grandfather did and help out a little bit.
My grandfather, being a professional engineer, would design the homes, and our father would help market them. When my sister and I joined the company, we grew the company to be what it is today, where we design and build dreams.
We specialize in architectural design, interior design, and construction. So from conception to completion, we are the Texas custom builder.
We love our Southern Living partnership. So just under 10 years, we've been with the Southern Living brand, part of their custom home builder program. So for us, we want to be associated with great brands.
When we worked with Pella to develop a program for all of our homes, we were super excited. And when Southern Living brought on Pella, it was just a match made in heaven.
You don't stay in business without a quality product. And so, Pella has a wonderful brand recognition in the marketplace as a leading window manufacturer. And that's something that when Melanie and I decided to bring Pella on for all of our homes, it was very important that we partnered with a leader in the industry.
Our customers were seeking that value in their windows to stand up to Texas weather, which, is pretty rough. We have a lot of temperature swings, and we want to provide a product that will last, and that is absolutely something that Pella does. With the steady set windows, our framers were able to install mostly indoors. From the interior application, which saved time on ladders, saved time outside in the elements.
And it was a new product for Kurk Homes to install, but it went really seamless. So we had the Pella representatives to help us. We unboxed the windows together and showed us how to install it with our construction team. And really it went in very seamless, pretty easy install, looks great. It's very important that the tradition stays alive. What our maternal grandfather and our father have done for my sister and I, and what my sister continues to do for our company, it's pretty amazing. So.